In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Zoom. Zoom Virtual Background. Virtual backgrounds are a quick way to look professional, protect your privacy, or just add some personality to your calls. You don't need any complicated setup for this. We'll do everything right inside your meeting so you can follow along in real time. First, make sure you're already in a Zoom call or meeting window. Look at the bottom left corner of the Zoom toolbar. You'll see the video button that starts or stops your camera, and right next to it, there's a small upward-facing arrow, sometimes called a caret. Click that arrow to open a small menu of video options. This is where Zoom keeps the shortcut to all the camera-related settings you'll use most often. From that menu, choose the option labeled Choose Background. This opens the background panel on the right or in a separate window, depending on your Zoom version. Here, Zoom shows you a gallery of available backgrounds, and this is where you'll preview and switch between them. As soon as you make a selection, Zoom will apply it instantly so you can see how it looks before you return to the meeting. Now, you have two paths. If you want something quick, pick one of the preset images Zoom already provides. Click on any thumbnail, and you'll see it appear behind you right away. If you'd rather use your own picture, look for the small plus icon in the top right area of the background gallery. Click that plus, choose to add an image from your computer, and browse to the file you want. A simple, clean photo works best. Horizontal images with a resolution like 1280 by 720 or 1920 by 1088 tend to look crisp without stretching. Once you've uploaded your image, it will show up alongside the presets. Click it to select, and that's it. Your new background is live. Everyone in the meeting will now see you with that backdrop. If it doesn't look quite right, try a different image that has fewer patterns or higher contrast, and make sure you're evenly lit from the front. Avoid wearing colors that closely match the background, which can cause parts of you to blend into the image. That's all there is to it. Click the caret, choose background, pick a preset or upload your own, and select it. You can switch backgrounds anytime using the same steps. Keep a few favorites ready for different situations, one for work, one for teaching, and one just for fun, so you're always a click away from the right look.